how many seconds do you think that you have for your website to load before someone will just leave? And this is really important because the recent survey and stats that have come out when it comes around web design is that if you've got a 1 second delay in your website speed, then it can result in a 7% reduction in conversion or turning lookers into bookers. Now, the industry standard used to be between 6 and 7 seconds. That is now reduced to 3 seconds, which is ridiculous. You've literally got 3 seconds for your website to load. And for every second that you go over that, you've got a 7% less chance of actually getting someone to stick around and turning a look-in into a booking. So this is really important. So number one, you need to make sure that you have got a website that is built to load very quickly. It's working with a very good server. It hasn't got real big images and videos that are clogging it down. It's been built by somebody who knows what they're talking about. And also as well, you've got to make sure that it's got the key essential, which you've got to make sure it's got a HTTPS, which means it's secure. So how do you get those things? Well, it can cost a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing, if you try and do it yourself. It could cost a lot of money if the website designer that you are working with doesn't know what they are doing. When we first started doing Boostly websites, we held our hands up. We didn't know what we were doing, but we have learned over the years about what you have to do to your website, the servers you have to work with, and how you can make sure that a website loads with under 3 seconds. A Boostly website, an average load speed is 1.66 seconds. We are below the industry standard. We are quicker than any other website loading out there. But not only that, it's got the quality to match, which is the thing that we are creating. We invest in a lot of money in this. So what I want for you to do, go to tools.pingdom.com and you can test your website, tools.pingdom.com, or just do a Google search for Tools Pingdom and it will come up. Make sure you put your domain in, check the location that you want people to be searching you for, because you can choose America, you can choose Europe, you can use Asia, etc. And then run the search and run the start of the test. And it will tell you a lot that you need to know. Now, if your website is coming up more than 3 seconds and you want to find out more about Boostly websites, please get in contact, boostlywebsite.com. Excuse me. And there you can book a call with us and we can go for a few things. It's so important now, especially with these things, mobile phones, that your website loads dead quick. Not only on Wi-Fi, but on 3G, 4G, 5G, whatever it may be. Please make sure that your website is built for mobile first. Please make sure that your website is built by someone where they know what they're doing, especially when it comes to hospitality. It's got to be something that you are confident in that is going to actually convert a looker into booker. Otherwise, if you don't pay attention to your website, what is the point of doing all of these marketing tactics? Because at the end of the day, we do all of this to drive people back to our website, and then we're going to be confident that it will convert. So please let me know. I would love to know what speed your website loads at. Leave a comment below if you're watching this on the socials or on YouTube. If you're on the audio, mark@boostly.co.uk. If this is the first time that you've come across the daily episodes, then welcome. My name is Mark Simpson. I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, and the confidence. Please like this video so it just on the YouTube, so it just means more and more people can find it. And if you want to find out more, boostly.co.uk. I'll be back tomorrow with another daily episode. Until then, thank you to the sponsors. Thank you so much for tuning in. And don't forget, next week, I am going to be kickstarting Operation Bookings. If you want to find out more, boostly.co.uk/operation. From the 14th to the 18th of June, we get started. I've got a special little launch party live kicking off on Friday the 11th. And it's going to be a lot of fun. Prizes, giveaways, the whole shebang. And I'm really looking forward to getting 500, 600 people in a Facebook group, in a closed Facebook group where we can really dig into it. Even if you're super busy, you've got tons of bookings, now's the best time to be doing it. If you need loads of bookings right now, now's the best time to be jumping in. Again, free 5-day training exclusively with me. You've got loads of other hosts in there. It'll be a great place. And again, just short little videos every single day. And then we'll basically improve your bookings, whether it's now or in the medium or in the long term. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Until then, be awesome.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.